Hi, thanks. It's Larry Waters again from Electrify My Home. I just wanted to explain the filter systems that we install on all our heat pumps. They may not be in the exact same location on your particular heat pump, but it's the same type of filter on every one. The reason we use this type of filtration is it's very effective as we move the air through the system much more slowly at picking up smart particles, including like smoke smudge and things like that. It's really easy to change these filters, and they're either available through us through a maintenance plan, or you can order them online. But I just wanted to show you how to determine which filter it is and show you how to change it. So what we need to do, this is your filter cabinet. It'll say AprilAire on it. Now in some of the applications, these systems might be sideways and it might be on the end, or it could be next to it, but it's somewhere in the return air stream of the filter and it's really easily identifiable. What you want to do is just pop this door open. A really quick check of the label will tell you what filters will replace it if you want to order them online. Most of the ones we install are this exact 20 by 20 cabinet model. And we love this model because it has such extended filtering capabilities. If you pull it out, it's much more robust than a traditional filter. It's 4 inches thick and it's pleated, so there's a ton of surface area to capture particles. So we really love these because in some applications where you don't use your system a lot, these filters can last a full year. If you're where I'm at, where we're running the air conditioner a lot, it uses, you need to change it out twice a year. So you got to get the thing out, get around the pipes, pull the filter, come straight out. See all that filtering capacity right there? So if we stretch this out, this is almost 25 feet of filter trapping surface area. So that's why it can last so long. This one's pretty new. I replaced it just a couple of months ago, but you can see it's already turning dirty. So what we want to do is pull that out, grab the new one out of the box, and in here you see the little grooves, and down here there's some tracks. It might not be too visible, but on yours it'll be easy to see. What we want to do is get these grooves in these tracks, get the filter started. And if this looks complicated to you, we also have a maintenance plan available where one of our technicians can come out and do it for you. But once you've done this a couple of times, it gets real easy. Take it out, shove it back in, close the top. These two little clips are going to fit right down here on the end. Snap it in place and you're done. It's that easy. You can pick up these filters on Amazon, but also if you want us to come out and do this for you, just give us a call and we have a maintenance plan where we can do it automatically.